Bam! Chronicles Football 2021. We're back at it, boys. We are back at it.
Ready, down, hood.
We went back to Walmart and they had 2 remaining, and then they started filling it up with 2022 Chronicles Football. So I didn't grab those. I grabbed 2 more 2021. Super excited, man. This is an awesome set. Let's see what we can pull, guys. Let's see what we can pull. All right, guys. Hope you enjoy the show. Let me know what cards you think is the best out of these 2 pulls. Hopefully, we pull some heat. Sit back, relax, grab your popcorns, get your blankets, wherever you are in this world, whatever time it is. Let's break into these Chronicles Football, baby. Let's go. We'll go left side first. We got 6 packs, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we're going to open up the right side. Last video, the pulls were bangers, guys. We pulled some Trevor Lawrence, Mac Jones. Hopefully we can get something numbered, or I don't know, guys. We'll see. All right, we're going to go left side first. Wish me luck. Hope you guys are doing well, staying safe, getting some heat yourself, all right? Okay, we're starting off. Michael Thomas. DK Metcalf. Ooh! Starting off with the bang. Najee Harris, Pittsburgh. And we got a... Wow. Starting off with the bang. Terrence Marshall ready. We got a number V9. Najee Harris. Vertex Football, guys. Vertex Football. We're going to keep that off to the side for now. We got a rookie. Rashad Bateman. Let's go. Kadarius Toney, rookie. And we have Felipe. Yo, these cards are nice, man. These cards are nice. Let's get some sleeves and top loaders. Man, left side starting off with a nice bang. I'm telling you, man, this set is, if you need some cards to add into your collection, $27 a pop on these blaster boxes. Get you some nice cards, man. Get you some nice rookie cards, especially with this class. Bangers. All right, guys, we got 2, I would say 2 big hits for now. And we will continue. Let's go. Pack number 2. Okay. Let's go. Ooh. Jonathan Taylor. Sick running back. Tennessee Titans. A.J. Brown. Kansas City Chiefs. Travis Kelce. Oh, we got a black. Rookie Prism Black. Dallas Cowboys. Micah Parsons. Bang. Well, we'll take those. We take those. And then we have a clear momentum Anthony Schwartz, followed by a Myles Garrett and a Kyle Pitts. Man, we take those. Let's go. Black Prism, Micah Parsons. Hopefully he does good this year, guys. Hopefully he does good. But we take those. Let's go. We'll top load and penny sleeve this as well. I love these clear cards, man. Super nice to have on display, especially if you have it on like a black background. It just looks sick. It looks sick, man. Let's continue on the grind. Left side starting off strong. Let's continue with the momentum. See what else we can pull. Guys, if you guys like the channel so far, make sure to support by hitting the like as well as subscribe. And let me know down. Oh, Jalen Hurts. And let me know down below who your favorite player is. Let's go. Micah Parsons. We got a Prestige. Kadarius Toney. And we have an Justin Jefferson's from the Viking. Clear card again. The magnitude. And we have a Gridiron. Ramondre Stevenson. And who we have here? Matt Judon. Let's go. We take those. So far, guys, I think we are halfway there. Hopefully, we continue with pulling some heat. Man, love it. Love it, man. Love opening these set. Let's get some of these bangers. Let's get big man, big name. Trey Lance. Let's get some Trey Lance up in this beast. Tyler Lockett. Quentin Nelson from the Colts. Arizona Cardinals. Kyler Murray. We got a Prestige. Ramon Stevenson. Dwayne Eskridge. Let's go. Clear vision. And we have a Khalil Herbert. Bears. Another Gridiron. Dwayne Eskridge. Sick cards, man. Sick cards. Pink. Let's go. Dwayne Eskridge. Bam. We got 4 clear. 4 clear cards. Continue. Let's go. 2 more packs for the left side, guys. Who would be a better box? The left side or right side? Let me know. Love this. If you guys get a chance to get some of these at Walmart, man, I would recommend it. We got a Justin Herbert. We got a silver. We have silver. They're sticking together, though. They're sticking together here. Dak Prescott. We'll save that one for last. Let's save that for last. We have A.J. Green. We have Kine Kwangwu. I'm sorry I butchered that name. All right, guys. Legacy. Rookies. Jaguar. No way. Quarterback. Travis Etienne, man, you got us. And we have Aziz Ujaru. Wow. Thought that would have been Trevor Lawrence. Etienne, man. Travis Etienne got us. He got us. Wish it was the other Jaguar. But we continue. We will continue. So far, guys, Travis Etienne, Micah Parsons, we got Rashad Bateman, Justin Jefferson, a couple of our pulls. But I like this Najee Harris Vertex card right here. Bang, look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful card. All right, guys, last pack on the left side. Let's see what we can hit. Let's get in on the break, guys. Let's get in on it. All right, I see probably a Prestige back there. We have an Aaron Jones, Antonio Gibson. We got. All right, let's go. Ooh, Devontae Smith. Let's go. Kyler Murray. Bang, Kyler Murray. And then we have in the back Elijah Moore, finishing off with a Eli Mitchell. Kyler Murray. Bang, magnitude, clear card. Man, let's go. All right, guys, that's finishing off for the left side. Let's get into the right side and see what else we can pull. Bang, let's go. I really like this Vertex Najee Harris, man. Rookie card, as well as the Micah Parsons Prism Black. All right, let's make some space here. Woo, here we go, guys. Pack number 1, right side. Can we beat the heat? Can we beat the heat? Mike Evans, James Robinson. Oh, we got a Vertex. Who's this? Rondell Moore. Vertex. Bang. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. We got a rookie. Here we go. Trey Lance. Prestige. And bang, we have a Devontae Smith. Eagles. Momentum. Magnitude. Magnitude, I'm sorry. And a Calvin Ridley, as well as a Travis Etienne. Gridirons. Pink. Let's go. Yo, we take those. We take those. Trey Lance. Trey Lance in the back over there. Bang. We'll take those. Let's go. I would love to pull either a Mac Jones or another Trevor Lawrence. Let's see what we can get, guys. Send me some good vibes. Send me some good juju. Let's see. Guys, Monday Night Football is coming soon. I mean, yeah, it's coming up soon. Football season's coming up soon, guys. Here we go. These cards are nice, man. Vertex, Rondell Moore. Let's sleeve this up. I think the Jaguars are opening up. That'd be sick. Let's go. Let's go. All right, pack number 2 for the right side. We continue. We will continue. What do we got? Who do we got here? Calvin Ridley from the Falcons. Darren Waller from the Raiders. We have, hey, Baker Mayfield. Oh, we got a rookie legacy. Who's that? Who's that? Texans. Rico Collins. Rico Collins. Oh, man, look at that big dimple there. That sucks. Looks like a raindrop. We got a Kyle Pitt. And a Darren Waller to finish off. And a Trey Lance. Bang. Let's go. Trey Lance. Luminance. We take those. We will take those. Bang. It would be nice to get a black prism Trey Lance. That would be insane. That will be insane. Beautiful card. We gotta sleeve this Kyle Pitts as well. All right, guys. Hang in there. Just gotta protect these cards. You know how we do. Can't just leave them hanging out. Oh, man. I'm so sad about that little dimple, man. So sad. Nico Collins, Texans. Rookie. All right. We have a little bit more to go. Here we go. Next pack. Right into it. We're getting right into it, guys. We're getting right into it. Ooh, Eli Mitchell. Houston's Brandon Cooks. Pittsburgh, Deontay Johnson. Prestige, Kenneth Gainwell. Bears, playoff, QB. No way. No way. Justin Fields. Justin Fields. Let's go. Bang. Then we have a Mike Carter from the Jets, as well as a Baker Mayfield. Yo, we take this. What's up with the dimple? No, what is that, a dimple? I don't know what that is there. No, just a trademark. Yo. The Bears. I don't know if you can tell, but there's like some smoke or... What is that? In the background, you can see... Man, I wish I had like a plain black background to just show you. There's like a shadow. It's pretty neat. There's a shadow of him, I guess. Wow. Interesting card. Usually it's clear. But there's like a little smoke image. Interesting. I wonder if that's like a mistake or I don't know. Pretty cool. All right. 3 packs to go, guys. 3 packs to go. I just pulled a Justin Fields. Momentum. Joe Mixon. Mike Gesicki. Man, come on. We haven't pulled a Trevor Lawrence yet. I'd like to pull a Trevor Lawrence. DeAndre Swift. Prestige. Trevor Lawrence. Called it. Bang. What's behind here? Rookie. Jets. Wow. Is it? Quarterback. Oh, yeah. Bang. Zach Wilson. And who's behind there? Mac Attack Jones. Banger. Felipe Franks. Behind there. Yo, we take those. We take those. We got 3 quarterbacks here. Outstanding, man. Outstanding. We are, I believe, 1 hit. We still need a hit for a the Prestige 8. I'll be right back. I got to get some top loaders. Got to get some hard top loaders. Pulling too much heat. Got to keep these protected. Man, I think we still have a black prism to pull. Let's see who it's gonna be. Where we got top load this guy. Funny hype. Yo, Zach Wilson. A man. Oh, he's a man amongst boys. We got a Trevor Lawrence Prestige. Let's go. Anything Trevor Lawrence. Beautiful. Beautiful. Gotta protect our boy here from our New England fans. Mac Jones. Let's have a big season, baby. Let's have a big season. Let's go. Let's go. All right, guys. We have 2 more packs after this. Thank you for staying. Thank you for staying and watching. It all helps and supports me, man. Appreciate you guys. Appreciate you guys. Let's go. 2 more packs. What are we going to get? Ooh, we got a Tampa Brady. Miss him, man. Miss him in New England. Jacksonville Jaguars. Trevor Lawrence, rookie. Yo, we take those. We take those. Oh, what is this? What is this? Rookie card. Who is this? Panthers. Oh, Chuba Hubb, guys. Oh, wait. There's another card behind here. Cordell Patterson. We got a Trevor Lawrence here. We got a, wow, Dynadron. Panini. Beautiful card. Who is behind here? Devontae Smith with the clear vision. Najee Harris. Eli Mitchell. Bang, guys. Bangers of a cards. Woo, let's go. We got 1 pack left. What can we get? Who can we pull? Will it be a beast from the East? Or Trevor Lawrence from the Jags? That'd be neat, man. That'd be neat. We got 1 more pull. Stay with me. Stay with me. That's a nice card right here. Bang. Chuba Hubbard. Chuba Hubbard. Bang. Let's go. Guys, so far, who do you think is winning? Left side or right side? Left side or right side, man? Najee Harris showing up again. Najee Harris is showing up again. Pittsburgh. Yo, I haven't seen my boy Javonte yet. Is he going to appear? Is he going to appear? We have Tampa Brady. Devontae Smith. Yo, these clear cards. Insane, man. Rookie. Rookie. Stacked class. Stacked class, guys. You need some awesome rookies into your collection. And an old school, the GOAT, Tom Brady, man. Come back to New England, Tom. Come back to New England. Imagine that. Maybe when he retires. All right, guys. Last pack magic. Woo! Let's go. It's been fun. It definitely has been fun. Let's finish off with a bang. Let's finish off with a bang. Josh Jacobs. Darnell Mooney. Oh, what is this? No, we got points. Take it, guys. Take it. Rashad Bateman. No, don't do me like that. 49ers. QB. Uh-oh. Rookie. Rookie. QB. 49ers. Trey friggin' Lance, baby. Woo! Momentum. Yo, let's go. Trey Lance. Can't believe they gave us the points, man. Oh, them points. We'll still take it. I've never used the points, so I might blur it out and then use the points to see what we can get. But dang, man. Guys. So far, let's recap. I'm going to top load this and then recap for you guys. And you let me know. Which side won. Left or right. Bang. Let's put all this together. Right side stack. Left side stack. Let's go. Finishing off, guys. I hope you enjoyed the show. This will probably be the last for now. I haven't seen any more Chronicles, but if I do, I'm picking them up. Guys, for the left side, we have Anthony Schwartz from the Browns, wide receiver. Vertex, Najee Harris, Pittsburgh. We got a Micah Parsons Prism. Let's go. Aziz Ojari, Giants. Justin Jefferson, Vikings. Rashard Bateman, rookie. Dwayne Eskridge, Kyler Murray. And we have a Travis Etienne, rookie, legacy. That's for the left side, guys. Right side, woohoo! We got Trey Lance, baby. Vertex, Rondell Moore. Trey Lance, momentum. Let's go. Beautiful card. Beautiful card. We got a Tampa Brady, Devontae Smith, Najee Harris. Yo, Chuba Hubbard, silver. Dang. Trevor Lawrence, bang, rookie. Oh, that fell in there. Trevor Lawrence again, prestige. Zach Wilson, a man amongst boys. Justin Fields. Mac Jones. Kyle Pitts. Rookie Nico Collins from the Texans. Another Trey Lance. And finishing off with a Devontae Smith Eagles. Guys, bangers. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that break. Stay safe, stay well. Guys, hope to see you again until the next video. Bye.